Top 5. Best Pex Crimp Tool. If you're looking for the best Pex Crimp tool, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best Overall, EWIS PEX Pipe Crimping Tool Kit. Number 2. iCrimp PEX Cinch Tool with Removing Function.
This is an iCrimp Pex tool that I bought off of Amazon. It's specifically made for cinch clamps. And this final piece is a 90-degree Pex fitting. Here are the two pipes I'm going to join. I've already got my Pex cut, I've got my 90-degree fitting, and I've got my 1/2-inch cinch clamp because this is 1/2-inch Pex pipe. So the first thing you want to do is actually put your cinch clamp on the pipe before you put your fitting in. That way you don't put your fitting in and then you can't get your clamps on. And of course, since I'm filming this, the fitting didn't want to sit in the friggin' pipe. So I finally got the fitting in, and I moved the cinch clamps about 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the pipe, and now I'm going to clamp them with the iCrimp tool. So you want to make sure the jaws of the clamp tool are fully open. You're going to put it around the tab of the clamp, and then you're going to close the handles as far as they go. So that's it for installing the cinch clamps. If you've done everything right, you should have a watertight seal. So now I'm going to show you how to use this iCrimp tool to actually remove cinch clamps. To do this, you open the tool handles all the way, you pull aside the locking clip and press down the rotary knob, then you turn the tool over and you dial that rotary knob around to make sure that the number 2 is by that red calibration point. Then you turn it back over and you lock up the clip from the back. So now you can take the tool, put it around the clamp tab, make sure the tool is running parallel with the tube, and you just squeeze the handles all the way and it should cut that tab open. And that way you can spread the cinch clamp and remove it. So I'll put a link for the iCrimp tool that I use down below in the description. It came with a bunch of 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch connections. It came with the actual Pex cutting tool.
Number 3. Best Crimp Tool. EWIS IWSFAS PEX Crimping Tool Kit. Number 4. Most efficient PEX crimping tool. SharkBite PEX crimping tool.
In this video, we're going to walk through how to make PEX or PERT crimp and clamp connections. SharkBite is the leader in complete solutions for improving plumbing efficiency and getting the job done. SharkBite barb fittings provide an efficient and reliable connection for plumbing and radiant heating applications. The range of barb fittings are available in both lead-free brass and polymer construction and can connect to PEX or PERT pipe. Both fitting options can be connected with either copper crimp rings or stainless steel clamp rings. Before starting your job, ensure your tools are calibrated correctly. SharkBite tool calibration instructions can be found on sharkbite.com. To get started, cut the pipe cleanly and squarely, make sure it is free of scratches and debris. Slide the crimp or clamp ring onto the pipe. Then insert the fitting into the pipe until it reaches the fitting shoulder. Now position the crimp or clamp rings 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch from the fitting shoulder. This will ensure the ring is positioned directly over the barbs of the fitting. If using the crimp ring, position the open jaws of the crimp tool over the center of the crimp ring. Keep the tool at a 90-degree angle to the fitting and close the handles completely. Then verify the connection with the go, no-go gauge. The go side of the gauge should tightly slide over the crimp ring connection, and the no-go should not slide over the connection at all. If the connection fails the test, cut the pipe as close to the end of the fitting as possible to minimize pipe loss. If you wish to save the fitting, you can use the crimp ring removal tool by cutting on at least 2 opposing sides of the ring and removing the ring. Ensure your crimp tool is properly calibrated and begin the connection process again. If using a clamp ring, position the open jaws of the clamp tool over the raised ear of the clamp ring and squeeze until completely compressed. The tool will not release until the clamp is fully closed. To ensure proper...
Number 5. Best Cinch Tool. iCrimp PEX Cinch Tool. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.